What if an expert could now be on site in a matter of seconds? What if maintenance and repairs could now be accomplished in hours instead of days? What if safety and efficiencies could be improved, all while boosting customer satisfaction? This vision is now a reality. ScaleXM presents Remote Assistance Solution. We serve many manufacturing customers that supply various machines to their customers. Coronavirus has drastically changed our world and created travel restrictions all over the world. In such challenging times, it has become harder for an expert to attend the field service call in person. Our revolutionary remote assistance solution is helping companies to serve their customers better. Our solution is not just a FaceTime or a video call. It is a sophisticated solution that brings a subject matter expert virtually to the customer site. It comes with various features, as you can see in this video. The expert sees what the technician sees and gives step-by-step audio and text instructions to guide them through a complicated repair. The right information and context can be delivered by entering a machine diagram or 3D images of the parts. It provides step-by-step instructions overlaid in the technician's field of view to help them solve the problem safely, efficiently, and correctly. The efficiencies and capabilities enabled by remote assistance gives you the assurance that any complex problem can be solved under expert guidance with safety, quality, and reliability. Another exciting feature of this solution brings instructions out of the paper manual directly onto your real equipment, like an instructor standing right next to the equipment. New personnel can quickly learn maintenance procedures correctly the first time with 3D model walkthroughs. The procedures provide guidance for the most common installation and maintenance needs of your machine. We build such custom installation and maintenance guides as per your needs. We are headquartered in Philadelphia. Please reach out to us at sales@scalexm.com and visit scalexm.com to learn more about us.